Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate any Instagram account. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video, so let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram account. Click on the 3 lines option, then go to Settings. After that, go to Account Center. Now, scroll down and click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. From here, choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your profile. Now, for deactivation, choose the first option. Then click on Continue. Next, type your password. Then click on Continue, choose a reason why you want to deactivate your account, then tap on Continue. Finally, click on Deactivate Account, that's it. As you can see, my account has been successfully deactivated. So, friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.